Hello, Arun here again. Now today I'm going to be talking about 7 signs your business needs to kind of outsource or offshore their accounting services. So what are those 7 signs? Well, the first one I kind of often see regularly is the firm or the business is overwhelmed by complex financial tasks. There's basically too many complications going in there and they don't have the resource in-house to do that. So that's a real no-brainer. It's a telling point that they need other people, other resource to help that. Number 2, increasing their errors in the accounts and inaccuracies. And if there are mistakes in the financial records, they can't be trusted. And if they can't be trusted by the management, they can't be entrusted by any investors or anyone else like that. So it's so important that you have kind of accurate data. Number 3, offshoring firms like ours have access to the latest technology, and they're the team are always trained in this latest technology, including cybersecurity rules and laws across the world. So if you want the latest tech, it's so important to have that to hand as well. Number 4 kind of links into the first step, but if you've got limited access to financial expertise, and I know here in the UK market and the US market, it's an ever shrinking pool of accountants that are available. The 5th step is you also find is if your costs are rising because there's a shrinking pool of staff here and your costs are rising because you have to pay more, that's another sign to say, you know what, my margins are being squeezed, I need to start thinking of offshoring or outsourcing and finding suitable staff and team members overseas. If you've got a team who are not perhaps the best skilled, you won't necessarily have the best kind of strategic financial plans in place to make good decisions about the business as well going forward. So again, that's another important area. It goes back to the quality of the people. And if you haven't got the quality of the people sitting in your office or sitting in your firm over here, we can help you find that team member. And I suppose the 7th point and the last point is if you're inconsistent in your financial reporting, if one month you get it on time and the next 3 months are out of date and out of time, there's no kind of trust. And the trust has gone with your clients, if the trust has gone with your investors, because of the inconsistent reporting, that's a real problem as well. So if you need any help and you think, well, I've got some of those signs in my firm or some of those signs in my business, and we're failing on multiple areas or even in one of these areas, you know where we are. Get in touch and we'll be delighted to help you.